Hi, welcome back to my channel on Hypnosis, NLP, Law of Attraction, and especially Learn Hypnosis Now. Now in this video I am going to talk to you about the word I use normally in my hypnosis workshop when I am doing hypnosis, and people ask me why you use this word. The word is "that's right." Now my friend, I am Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. I am a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. And before we go to the main lessons, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now and click on the bell notification button to get notified every time we upload a new video. And I'm uploading videos almost every day, a new technique. Now in this video, I want to tell you what is the power of the hypnotic word "that's right" and when to use it and how to use it. So, I use the word "that's right" all the time when I'm doing hypnotic induction on somebody or in a group. Now, what is the purpose of the word "that's right"? Now, every time I ask a person to close their eyes or take a deep breath and do something, when we are starting to doing induction, the moment they follow my instructions, I say, "that's right." Now, why I say that's right? Because many times people don't know whether they are following my instructions correctly or not. The moment you say "that's right," you are acknowledging to them that they are following instructions and they go deeper and faster. "That's right" is a very powerful word, and in fact you can use their name also when you are saying, "Oh, you are doing good, that's right, Mr. Manoj," or whatever the name is. Now that's right. Every time you follow instructions, they follow your instructions, use the word "that's right." Every time you say the word "that's right" to them, you are acknowledging them that they are following instruction and they go deeper and faster. And there is another important thing you can use with the "that's right." Now, the moment you see the symptoms of hypnosis, like sudden deep breath and let go, say "that's right, you are doing a wonderful job." Swallow, "that's right." Every time you see a hypnotic symptom, they are following or they are doing themselves, use the word "that's right," and the person will go into deep state of hypnosis. In fact, there is a wonderful technique on "that's right" which you can learn and do it right now. Where you ask the person to sit and focus on something and ask them to take a few deep breaths, and every time you see a hypnotic symptom like fluttering of the eyelids, say "that's right." "That's right." To let go, say "that's right." You use the word "that's right" number of times without giving any suggestions, and person will go into deep state of hypnosis. The moment they close their eyes when you start saying this, the moment they close their eyes, say "that's right." So every time using the word "that's right" is very hypnotic in hypnotic induction, and when you start using it, you will find the power of it. I always teach in my workshop, always say the word "that's right." "That's right" is a very powerful hypnotic word. Now, that is the one word I use all the time during my hypnotic induction. Now, my participants ask me many times, "So what are the other words we can use?" Now, there are some stock phrases and words which you can use. Like I always say, going deeper and deeper, getting more and more relaxed. Sometimes I count from 10 to 0, deepen it. And when people were asking me, I created a very powerful set of cards which has around 70 stock phrases which you can use in your hypnotic induction. Now this is a simple card, you don't need to use all of them, pick up which one you need. Now these cards are available from my office. We are not selling it right now through my website also. If anybody is interested in this, they can order this card. This card normally we charge around 2000 rupees, but for YouTube of my viewers, this is only 1000 rupees and plus whatever the postage and courier is. If you are really interested in buying this card, you can call us. Call us and ask about this card, and if you are really interested, we can courier you through the post. Now this is not a PDF or something which can give it to you, this is a card. Now the cards are very powerful. I use many of these stock phrases in my hypnotic induction, and you can also use it. Now before we go, please practice "that's right." Very important. "That's right" is a very powerful hypnotic word for hypnotic induction. Use it with your friend, and then I give you two techniques. One, when you are doing induction, use "that's right," or sometimes you can just use "that's right" as a hypnotic induction. As I told you, make the person sit, focus on something or a light or something, and then you observe them, and as you see the symptoms of hypnosis like blinking of the eye, sudden deep breath, say "that's right." Every time they do something and you see a symptom that they're going into it, use the word that's right. After some time, they will close their eyes and say, that's right. And then they will be in a deep state of hypnosis. Then you can check they are there on hypnosis now by dropping their hand, the method which you already learned. If you have not watched my previous video, please watch the previous video. We have shown you all this technique and how to do it. So use the word that's right. It's a very, very powerful hypnotic word. Practice on some people and give me a feedback. How does it work for you? And then if you want to attend a live training program, click on the link below, call us. If there is a workshop happening that time, attend a live workshop. You will learn all this technique in the workshop by doing it. See you personally soon. All the best. Thank you very much and look for the next video.